What we're going over today, Peter, is the Attorney General's Office, Deputy Alabama, hired Mark Cowan and Associates to review our appraisals. And Mark Cowan and Associates is out of Taos. Wittes, our guy, was out of South Dakota, so we brought in an independent person that would really do the appraisals good. Mark Wittes was named Appraiser of the Year last year. We felt we found the best in the West to do the appraisals, so it wouldn't be any type of scrutiny. We could understand any scrutiny there. Mark Cowan has done several appraisals for the land office for us. One in Santa Teresa, has done several for BLM. Our land is always valued less than BLM. State land is less than BLM with his appraisals. We've had lots of problems with Mark Cowan and Associates doing with his appraisals. But what's really bad is he should have disclosed to the Attorney General's office that he has done work for the land office and disqualify himself for to do this review of these appraisals, because we could have found plenty of other appraisers to do it that hasn't done work for the land office and hadn't had problems with. All the documents I have received from the AG's office that Mark Cowan did not disclose this. I think that is for infraction upon the appraisal conduct code, and he should have disclosed that.
But what about the assumptions that he makes that your appraiser, Mr. Wittes, didn't was looking at low pasture land compared to high pasture lands?
Wittes did a great job on all the appraisals. He put everything together. He's a premier appraiser. I'm not an expert on appraisals. I'm not an appraiser. We have an in-house appraiser that reviewed all of them, has reviewed Cowan's work, has reviewed Wittes' work, and we will stand behind Wittes' work. Cowan is saying exactly the same thing we have said about him. I believe he does mainly really urban appraisals rather than a lot of rural appraisals, and I know he's not qualified to do it. I mean, you're switching it over, Peter, saying he has said something. He should have excused himself because of the conflict.